Hello everyone, I'm Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary, and once again I am back with a new Excel function that is called VSTACK function. VSTACK function in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to vertically combine a data from multiple ranges and arrays into a single and larger array. This can be incredibly useful for consolidating information and creating reports and simplifying data analysis. VSTACK stands for a vertical stack. Its primary function is to append array or range on a top of each other, creating a single unified array. How it works: its syntax is equals to VStack bracket array 1, comma, array 2, comma, array 3, comma, array 4 and many more. Never ending. So let's understand what is array 1. The first array or range that you want to include in the stack. This is a required argument. What is array 2? Additional arrays or ranges that you want to stack. These are optional. You can include as many arrays as needed. It means you can add many more array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and many more. Its key feature and benefits is this function simplifies the process of combining data from a multiple sources instead of manual copying and complex formula. You can achieve this with a single function. Efficiency: it saves a time and effort, especially when dealing with a large data sets or numerous ranges. The uses of this: a consolidating data, combining data from a different sheets or table into a single report. Creating a dynamic list, build a list that automatically update when the source data changes. Simplifying data analysis, prepare data for analyzing by combining into a single manageable array or range. So let's move and learn how this function works practically. So let's move on to the. So here we have four different type of tables: January month sales, February month sales, March and April, and we need to combine all four tables into one. So normally peoples are doing like this, just copying and paste and copying and paste like this. So dear, we don't need to do in like such way. We just apply a VSTACK function and see the magic. So it's equals to VSTACK. VSTACK, now it's asking for select the array 1. So this time array 1 is January month, comma, now it's asking for a array 2. Array 2 is February month. Now it's asking for array 3, comma, select the array 3, comma, now it's asking for a array 4, and also it will ask many more 5, 6, 7, whatever you have you can select all the arrays. So this time we have only 4 month of data which need to combine, so we have selecting all these four arrays or range. Now close the bracket and hit the enter and see the magic. Yes, see the magic. We get all the entire 4 months of data in which is combining into a one single list. So in this basis you can use this function at your workplace and minimize your minimize and save your time and show your expertise to among your colleagues. So hope this will bring a lot to you. And hope you guys have enjoyed this learning, and thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and share this channel, and thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you for watching.